Give me a second, I'm trying to select the appropriate weapon. Watch who you stepping, them snakes all around, you know they connected. When I was a kid, my grandmama told me I can't go to heaven, so I stopped praying and asking for blessings and started preparing for my Armageddon. Got nothing to lose, I'm all in. Walking the ends, don't fall in. Enough of the lies, don't apologize, I don't understand, are you foreign? This is the place, this is the site. Grab all your people and log in. I'm waiting, don't care how long it's gonna take. Watching and waiting for that first mistake. Don't come up missing, don't get it twisted. I'm not Rihanna, but boy, you a gunner, you right on my hit list.
What's up guys, welcome to another video. So we did take another road trip to Venice Beach. We are going to train at Gold's, the Mecca. I'm super excited to train here. This is like one of my favorite gyms to train at. And there's just always so many famous like bodybuilders and famous fitness athletes that come here and train all the time. So it's cool to see. The last time I trained here, I did see Rich Piana, rest in peace. But before I go in and train, I'm gonna have a meal because I'm actually pretty damn hungry. It is 11:30. So right here, I just got some kale, 100 grams, 6 ounces of cooked chicken thighs, and then 10 grams of coconut oil. Nothing too crazy or spectacular, but this is basically what my diet has been consisting of. A meat protein source and basically like green veggies. I mean, I'm gonna eat this meal. I did take PA7 about an hour ago. So PA7 is an mTOR elevator and a nutrient partitioner. It helps drive more nutrients to the muscle cell and helps increase strength and lean mass, which I have been making pretty good progress with. I'm gonna eat this meal. I'm gonna go hit some legs. Hopefully I can train in there. I don't know how they feel about bringing cameras in and filming. If anything, maybe I can just get a couple of sets with my iPhone. All right, time to eat and then train.
Tell me how do I feel? Tell me now, how do I feel?
I feel pretty damn good.
Those who came before me.
A good indication or sign that you're feeling good and feeling better is when you actually bob your head to music. Man, it's been quite a long time since I could like hear a song and you just want to like bob your head. When you feel like shit and you have poor thyroid function, you don't want to do anything. Low energy levels, brain fog, fatigue, you're just like very dull and very boring, but I'm starting to feel pretty good. Head's bobbing, kind of enjoying life. I dig it. The Mecca. Alright guys, getting into the workout. So I warmed up with the bar and then 95 pounds, then 135 pounds, and here I am with 185 pounds. And I like to do these reps right here where I kind of sit at the bottom, get a nice deep stretch in my glutes and my hamstrings, getting better range of motion and flexibility, so that way when I'm squatting I can go as deep as I would like to and I get a full nice rep. So then I moved on to 225 pounds where I did just a couple reps, just getting the central nervous system warmed up and primed, ready for the heavier weights. Then moving on to 275 pounds for a few reps. And so now that we are finally warmed up, we are hitting our working weight. So I used 295 pounds and I did 3 sets of 5 reps here. I probably could have did about 3 sets to 6, but I just basically left 1 rep in the tank, and you always don't want to train to absolute failure because it's basically just wearing yourself out. If you leave 1 to 2 reps left in the tank, every single time that you come and train, you'll be able to progress. Next, we moved on to some reverse dumbbell lunges, and I really like this movement as well, as you do get a nice deep stretch and contraction. It's really good for glute and quad development. So I did 12 to 15 reps here, and then resting 60 seconds, and then doing some dumbbell Romanian deadlifts. And this movement, you really get a deep stretch on the hamstring, and it's just an overall great hamstring exercise. So 3 total sets here, alternated back and forth. Then I did some donkey calf raises and some farmer walks with some dumbbells, and that pretty much wraps up the workout, guys. I hope you enjoyed the voiceover. Alright guys, workout was great. Now I'm just down on Venice Beach going for a walk. It's super nice out. Catch a little bit of sun, get that free vitamin D. One vitamin that many people are deficient in, just get a little more sun. Work on my tan, and yeah, this place is always super busy, and it's always nice to come down here and just kind of relax, go for a walk. There's always tons of people. You hear tons of different accents, people from all over the world. So if you guys have never been to Venice Beach, I highly recommend you guys come down here and check out the boardwalk. It's really amazing. They got all kinds of stuff. They always got like people playing music and stuff.
If you want this, I got to come get this, I gotta be. Yeah, everything you want me to be, babe. You know I'm loyal, this hand is royal. It don't get no better than this. If you need to be feeling, believe it, I'm gonna be. Yeah, everything you want me to be, babe. You know I'm loyal, this hand is royal.
Yeah, so I was gonna bring my board and just cruise around, but my legs were a little toasted after that leg workout. But yeah, I'll definitely be back because I love cruising up and down this boardwalk.
The drama, leave it in the past, so you might as well keep your smile. But I know you're good for it. You never let me down. I know you're good for it. You always hold me down. Ooh, baby, been thinking about you lately.
Alright guys, so we walked for about an hour and it was super nice down there, and there's just something about the sunshine and being outside all the time. It just makes you feel pretty good rather than being at home in Boston inside a house and it's super cold outside. That's not fun at all. I'm gonna go get some food right now. I'm gonna hit up Whole Foods. It's about 3:30 right now. I haven't eaten since that meal you guys saw, which was at 11:30, and it was so close to my workout that I didn't bother eating right away post-workout because that meal was still digesting. So it's been about 4 hours now and I'm ready to eat some food, so I'm gonna hit up Whole Foods and put together a nice solid meal. Alright guys, so post-workout meal, we have some curry chicken. We have about 5.5 ounces, and we have some mixed greens. Over here we have some broccoli along with some Brussels sprouts that was made with bacon, which looks super good. And then we have one hard-boiled egg, and then I topped it with some olive oil. And then on the side we have a stevia, so this is a stevia sweetened carbonated beverage. It's actually really, really good. Cream soda is my favorite flavor for sure. So, time to eat. Dead ass though.